Connecting your TPMS sensors into the TPMS Connect app is super simple, and there's 4 different ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between the 4 different ways that we can pair the sensors into the TPMS Connect app. So what I've got is a 2 sensor pack, and I'm going to connect these 2 sensors into the app. Now this is for a trailer, a single axle trailer, no spare on the back. Now you can see we've got 4 different options. We've got the scan QR code, scan barcode pairing, the manual pairing, and the auto pairing. Firstly, we're going to do the scan QR code, and in your pack you get this card which has a QR code on it. So what we do is continue, and those 2 sensors are now immediately paired into it. Now we're going to do the scan barcode pairing, and on the card that came with the pack you can see the 2 barcodes that we have that correspond to the individual sensors. Now when we scan the barcodes, make sure you cover up the QR code and the barcodes that you're not using, because the camera is excellent at picking up the first thing it sees. So click scan barcode, continue. Now we're going to click on axle 1 left, brings up the camera, and then we scan the barcode. That one straight in, do the other one, and there we go. Both of those sensors are now scanned in and paired. Now we're going to use the manual pairing, and on the same card you can see just under the barcode is the sensor ID, and this is where we manually enter the sensor ID. There's one done, and there's the other. As simple as that, and we're done. Now we're going to do the 4th way of pairing the sensors into the app, and this way is excellent if for some reason you've lost your card, and it's the auto pairing that we can see down the bottom. So what auto pairing does is the app then goes out and looks for any of the Bluetooth sensors that are in close proximity. Now what we do is, the easiest way to do this, click auto pairing, click the first wheel, and then screw your sensor onto the tyre, and you can see now that that sensor ID is showing in the profile. So there's the 4 ways to connect your sensors into the TPMS Connect app.